Hello friends, welcome back to another video. And today we will learn Python setup. Okay, how you basically set up Python language or Python interpreter in your laptop. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, first of all, you'll basically go through this particular link. When you hit click, you can directly go on that particular website and download. Okay, download this, and this is the I think latest version 3.14.3. So yeah, you can download this. Okay, I already have this particular software in my laptop, so okay, I cannot do that. So once you download this, even you can go and check that if it is installed or not on your PC. So what you can check, Python. When you hit right, you will able to find I have the latest one, 3.14.3. So I already have. Okay, if you are not able to not able to download, or you don't want it to download this because taking a lot of memory on your PC, no issue at all. There are multiple ways to do this. You go just over here and type Google Google Colab. Okay, this also provides by the Google. Here, this is like a very good environment where you can write your code and do some testing over here. So this is also what you need to do. Just go new notebook and drive. This is a second way of doing it. Okay, you just go over here and sign in. Okay, log in with your Gmail account and credentials, and you able to do that. So yeah, this is the another way. Now this is the another way. Now if you don't want download, you have another way as well. You can download Visual Studio Code as well. So go over here and type for Google and Visual Studio Code, and this is the one of the best tool. I always use this. Okay, go over here and download this tool, and this will provide all the major environment that, and I already have this. Okay, so you can just download this, and after that what you need to do is just that go the Python extension, download it. So once you download it, yeah, you will be able to find. I already have this. Okay, so let me show you. This would be the IDE, Visual Studio Code. Here you basically write your code, Python code, and then yeah. So once you able to download this, you will to open this. This is the extension. Here you will be able to find Python. Okay, and then you can just click Python debugger, Python, and yeah, you are able to download this. So yeah, I already have that, so no issue at all. You just click cancel over here as well and go to over here. Okay, and now if you wanted to find new thing, you just go and create the folder on your desktop or wherever you want, and then connect. Okay, this particular location I already connected, okay, to my desktop. So this is the folder on my desktop, and this would be fine. Now come back to my slide. So this part is done. Yeah, use Visual Studio Code as well. Okay, as well as you can download this and then set the path as well. So no issue. This is a like where like how you, if you can check that is this installed on your PC or not. Yeah, check with this command, you're able to find this. Now you can use like when you install the Visual Studio Code, like one is Python as well as Jupyter, both the things you can like apply. So I apply with the Python, I'm fine with that. So yeah, that's where you can install this very easy, and no need to set up or anything you can do. It's just that when you install Visual Studio, you can just start writing your code, and that would be fine and enough. So coming to your first program, how you basically write your first program. Okay, so yeah, come back to over here. Okay, and this, let me start with the new file, and I will, this would be the day2. Okay, day2 dot py. Okay, py is the extension of Python file, and when you hit enter, you can start writing. And let me write print and hello world. And the ben and the this new feature, okay, it automatically write, this is the like, or like this is in IntelliSense. Okay, whenever whatever you are writing, it automatically solve your, okay, automate write this. So that is a benefit of. Okay, so now when you write this and this is saved, now this is print is not defined. So guys, yeah, first program whatever you are writing, just print. Okay, be cautious while you writing. So over here, this is the case sensitive, so please make sure whatever you are writing, it should be the proper in sentence case. So yeah, I basically first character would be the p small. Okay, so when you save it and then run it, it would be give you the proper answer. Okay, apart from that, hello, I am a data engineer. Yeah, and I'm learning Python. Okay, so yeah, this is the code. When I hit enter, so it will show you the print message, and this is your first code. And try with this if you are able to run or not. Okay, check with this, are you able to run this code? And if you are able to run, just hit like my video. Okay, this is your first program, and I think when you run this, you will be feel happy. So got it. Okay, now let's move to the presentation. So this is your first program. When you hit like right there, yeah, you will find. Coming to the variable and data types, you got it. What exactly the variables are? Maybe if you have learned any language, not even like Python, Java, C++, C, any language, okay, you have learned, okay, in your past, you will able to understand this, what is variable. For those who are new, or never like learn this, okay, and or just this is new for them, so no issue at all. I'm clarify all these things to you. So got it. What is variable? Variable is a container. When I say the container, what exactly the container is? Like if you can see, this is a bottle. What exactly it is contain? It's contain water. The same way, it is also a container. Okay, like some kind of, it contains values. Like if you can see, name is the, give me just 1 minute guys. Tu, 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 tu. Mhm. Got it. Okay, got it. Okay, so let me take this. If you can see, name equals to Vikram, salary equals to these are the variables. Okay, this is a little like, okay, so now these are the variables, and this one, oh my god, no issue. These are the variables. Oh, those are contains any value. Okay, and definitely these are very helpful when you write your code. Why it is helpful and why it is needed? Definitely, when you write any code, 2 plus 2 in your calculator. Okay, so when you hit type 2, okay, and when you plus, then hit type again 2. What, like if you do not have any variables, what exactly is happening when you hit type 2 and then when you hit click plus, it will not retain your previous value. It will lost you. Okay, your previous value will be lost, and that's way your program will not work. So these are crucial. Why this is crucial? Not only this particular language, for every language, without variable you cannot do anything, because these are the base. Okay, these are the base of the programming language, any of the programming language, because these provides the some sort of storage mechanism for the temporary time. Okay, or the run time, when you basically keep any values. So these are, they are keeping that value, okay, your value in a particular like variable. Okay, so that variable is a container, and as I mentioned, because when you keep any values, so yeah, that's make that like program like the calculator. Okay, when you keep 2 then plus then 2, so yeah, it is keeping 2 in a variable like a name or some sort of abc, any sort of like, okay, variable it can contains, okay, what, this value. So 2 plus 2, when I hit 2 plus 2, that means it is storing some sort of variable where these two values are stored. So let's suppose I'm writing this program, so I'm writing a equals to 2 and b equals to 2. So what I'm doing, I'm keeping this 2 value in a variable. That variable is a, and keeping another like values in b variable. And later on, what I will do, a plus b, because these two values, 2 plus 2 are, okay, 2 are stored in A and 2 are stored in B, and that's where if I calculate addition both the like variables, it will give me proper answer of 4. So yeah, now you basically understand what we are doing for these variables. I am just keeping my values in these containers, and that's where it stores our value. Okay, 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 that would be cool. No issue at all. So this is one thing. These are the variables. But let's suppose this is a container and this contains water only. Okay, what's up like what else if I basically put some hard thing over here like stones or some sort of, yeah, it can, but this is not a proper mechanism or not a proper container to contain these kind of values or these kind of like things. So for that, okay, because this is specifically designed for the water kind of or liquid kind of mechanism. Okay, that's where over here as well, these values variables are a certain type, a certain common type. Like if you can see, integer, float, string and boolean. For those are new to the programming, maybe they will just need to understand what exactly the integer. Okay, let's suppose this 4, what type of value it is. This is 4, that means a mathematical value. Okay, so that would be considered as integer, that would be considered as a integer. Okay, got it. What about the float or decimal? This is exactly decimal. That means if you wanted to store 2 in this float, okay, how it will keep this value is 2.0 if it does not have any decimal, because it keeps the decimal, it is basically floating. Okay, floating or the decimal value. So if like how it is keeping the data and what kind of data it is keeping, those are floating or decimal values. So like 4.4, 5.5, 6.6, anything. like 6.8, 7.8, anything that is related to the decimal. Yes, this type of data type it contains. Got it? String, definitely string, like my name is specified over here, Vikram. Yeah, this kind of variable. It which type of variable it is? This is string type, and this is boolean. And boolean, what type of boolean is? Where it mentions just true and false. Got it. I'm sure you clear what exactly the type or the data types are. Okay, okay, that would be cool. So give me just 1 minute. Let me clean this. That will be much faster. Okay, got it. Now it is done. Okay, let me test this. Okay, so before testing this, give me just 1 minute. Right. Okay, dynamic typing. Okay, what exactly it is? Dynamic typing. When I say the dynamic, that means it is dynamic in nature. It is flexible. It is like automatically deduct, okay, what type of data type it has. No issue at all. Let me go over here. So yes, this is done. Now coming to the second thing. Okay, that way. Okay, let's suppose I am a equals to 2, b equals to 2. Okay, that way I basically assign this value over here. A equals to 2, b equals to 2. So I have not specified which particular type of data type it is, but Python is automatically deduct this, like what type of value I got, okay, in this variable. Then based on that it automatically convert, okay, it automatically change their behavior, their like like properties according to that particular value. So if I check print print type, and I will check the what type of value it contains. A, okay, no issue at all. Just check, run this code, and you will able to see it is a integer type. Okay, got your point. If I specify like Vikram, then see what type of value. Now it became string. So now you no need to specify. But if you are learning Java, C++, and these languages, you will have to first specify the variables and type, then you will able to use that. But this is the Python benefit. Okay, no need to specify. Okay, no need to specify anything. It automatically take the deduct at the runtime. Okay, got it, no issue. Coming to over here, if let's suppose if we specify, okay, like this kind of value I will specify with their data type. So if you wanted to specify explicitly the data type of that particular variable, so how you basically define? So yes, you will have to use a colon int then equals to 2. That way you are basically forced to this particular variable should be in that particular data type only. So now you got it. what exactly the data type is and how you basically, yeah, work this is. Okay. And now, I hope this is clear, like what is data type and how this is handling like value and why this is important. Now I'll need to cover this. Okay, this when you specify this particular data type like int equals to like a equals to int, that means this is enforce the integrity. Okay, how integrity? So let's suppose if I specify this as the age. Okay, and let's suppose if I'm not specify, okay, like age, okay, the data type of this particular, and if I specify this as the age, okay, and a certain variable, so maybe user can enter like age in this manner, like this is also 8, but this is in string format. So the format, like how this is enforce the integrity and consistency due to data type, beforehand it will tell that particular user this value is not valid. Okay, like, okay, if you like previously, like if you explicitly specify this is the integer type, that way it basically handles automatically. So if I do this, then it will not take any like other values. So I hope this is clear to you what exactly data type and how it will automatically detect. This is the very good feature of this Python. So guys, I think you are clear with this, no issue at all. Okay, second thing, maybe this about the policies. Not policies, but this is the nomenclature rules. Okay, generally, you can specify whatever you want. Okay, the good practice would be the use proper names. Okay, like as I mentioned, I have used age, okay, in proper meaningful, okay, you will have to use, but do not use such kind of like one. This is not the properly follow the proper rule. Okay, so one then is the no, this is not the correct manner, and same way do not use any sort of hyphen or sort of, okay, this is not the correct rule. So I think this is just about the how you basically written variable names or define the function name. So yeah, this is about that. So I'm sure that like you can start and this is your first program you have basically written. You now understand the variables, data types, okay, and automatic detect feature of this Python. So I hope this is clear. And guys, if you like, if you understand this completely, if you like this, hit like this video and subscribe my channel so that you will see the entire series of these data engineering, AI data engineering videos, okay, coming to you. So guys, okay, so guys, again, we will meet in the next video. Till that time, thank you so much.